Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to personal hotspot not working on iPhone 13, 13 mini, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max after update iOS 16. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Tip number 1. Enable and disable airplane mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Enable airplane mode. Then wait for few seconds and disable it. Tip number 2. Reboot your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Journal. On the Journal page, scroll down, tap Shutdown. Now slider to power off, slider to turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Tip number 3. Update for carrier setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Journal, tap About. Now your iPhone will check the update for carrier setting. Select update in the pop-up box if an update is available. Tip number 4. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Journal. On the Journal page, scroll down, tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset network setting. Enter your passcode. Again reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Thanks for watching this video.